Tell me how to club two strings. Anyone
Concat.
rising? Concater
Pipe.
pipe
Pipe.
symbol. Same thing. How to club two result sets or
Set operator.
select statement. We should go for what concept? Go for
Set
set
operator.
operator. Same thing. I want to get data from multiple tables. Now we should go for what concept? Go for what?
Joins.
So joins. Okay, see, so you need to understand what strings go for concat. So result set go for set operator. Same thing. I want to get data from multiple tables. Now we should go for joins concept. Tell me what is join. If I want to get data from multiple tables, we should go for joins concept. Tell me again what types of joins we're having. Anyone? Tell me again what type of joins you're having.
Inner
Outer
join.
Outer
Outer.
Inner join, outer. How many outer joins are there?
Left and right.
Left outer, right
Right.
outer, and
Full.
full outer joins. See, so this is important. Okay, see. So see, you need to understand clearly. So inner join, or it's also called as equijoin. Same thing in left outer, right outer, full outer. Same thing in a similar fashion. We're having what? So self join and cross
Cross
or
join.
partition product. Okay, so it's a simple thing what happened. So inner or equijoin, left outer, right outer, full outer, or self join, or cross or Cartesian product. So these are the main things. There are so many things, but we'll use in real time. We'll go for these three things. Okay, inner, left, right, full outer. Now same thing. Now before that, tell me what is inner join definition? Anyone? Tell me what is inner join definition?
Matching
Common.
record.
Matching records from both the tables.
Okay, correct. So now see the definition. Okay, this is important. Now see here what happened. There are two tables are there. What are two tables? So table one and table two. So returns the record that have matching values in both the tables. Now tell me table one, table two. Now what happened? Returns record that have matching values in both tables. See, matching values in both tables. This is both. This is so far. What about left join or left join? It's also called as left outer join. Tell me what the definition. So definition important. We'll see in detail. Tell me.
Matching
Common.
records from both the table and non-matching records from left table.
Okay, simply what happens is simply. So see table one, table two. Tell me which is the left side table one or table two?
Table 1.
So table one is the left side table. What about table? It's a right side table. So see returns all the records from the left side table and match records from the right side table. See returns all the records from left side table and match records from the right side table. See definition. So see returns all the records from left side table plus matched records from where? From
Right side.
side table. Tell me which is the main table?
Left.
Main table,
Left
left
table.
table is the main table. So definition you need to understand, then you can go for clearly. Okay, so this is so far good. Now next one is that what is right join, right or right outer join? It's a vice versa. Okay, see right or right outer join. Okay, we'll see the syntax and everything clearly. Tell me, see this image. 1 second, see the image. Tell me now what happened. Tell me. So which is the main table?
Right
Right
table.
side. That is table 2 is the main table. So returns all the records from the right side table and the match records from which side table? Left side. So simple thing is what happened vice versa. So returns all the records from right side table and the match records from left side table, which is the main table. Right table is the main table. Then what is full join or full outer join?
Left plus right. Okay.
Full join or full outer join? Tell me. So which is the main table? See what happened. So
Return
by
both the
seeing
tables.
okay, see now what happened? Tell me the main table. Which is the main table? Which is the main table?
Both tables.
Both are
Both.
done.
Okay, see, both tables are main tables. So table one, table two are the main. See, returns all the records. So this is what this is inner join, this is left join, this is right join. So simply what returns all the records from both side table. Okay, got that. One second, give me 1 second. See, returns. Okay, see what happened. So returns all the records from which table? From both tables. Now which is main table? Both tables are main table. Okay, same thing. Tell me now what happened. What about inner join? Is the main table inner join? In inner join, both tables are
When
main table. Main table. So this is so far. We got the pointer. So this is the functional. Okay, got the pointer. So this is so far. Okay, 1 second. Give me 1 second, please. Okay, now tell me now what is cross-join or Cartesian product? Tell me what is cross or Cartesian product? Anyone?
Multiplication of two table records.
Okay, see multiplication of two
X
tables. Two tables. Okay, see table one into table two. So what is self-join? We'll see the same thing in detail. Tell me what is self-join?
Joining the table itself.
Same table we are trying to join itself. Okay, so you got the point. Huh? So see self-join. So see here what happened. Same table we are trying to join this. This is called as self-join. Okay, see one more time. So here you need to understand the functionalities that what okay, see inner join, common records. So left to join, okay, returns all records from left side table and the match record from right side table. What is full join? Returns all the records. What about cross join or Cartesian product? Multiplication of two tables. So same thing now what happened? We'll see the same thing in detail. Okay, 1 second, give me. One minute, please. Sorry, 1 minute, please. Okay, now this is Excel is not working. Okay. Now see what happened. Suppose see table one, two, three, four. So see in the table two, 1, 2, 3, 5 are there. Okay, so assume like two tables are there. So table one, table 2. Okay, one second, let me try. See, so table 1, T1, T2. Two tables are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we'll see the same thing in detail. 1, 2, 3, 5. So these are important, listen carefully. So control B. Okay. Now I want to go for inner join. So T1, T2. Tell me what is inner join? What is discuss? Tell me. Match records or common records? What are match records or common records? Tell me.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2,
Not 2,
3.
1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. No. So
Ah,
two tables are there. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. What about 4?
Null.
There are mismatch.
No. 4 won't come, no?
No, it is not matching.
Null.
Tell me.
Will not
Come
get
in.
any other values except
Okay,
matching
see. So see,
record.
only what is inner join? Inner join nothing but what?
Matching
Okay,
record
match
from
records
both the
from both
tables.
tables. No, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. That's it. What about left join? Tell me what definition we discussed. Tell me in left join. Tell me what did we discuss? Tell me.
All the records from left table and matching records from both the tables.
Okay, see, simple thing what happened. Okay, see. Okay, all the records from left side table. Okay, see, this is left table. So put the naming. This is right table. Okay, see, now what happened? All the records from left side table. Then match records from right side table. What records are matching? Tell me.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2,
3.
and 3. Okay, see 3. Okay, let me remove this one. Okay, we'll see one more time in detail. Okay, see, now see this is table 1, table 2. So left side table, right side table. So what is inner join? Common record. This is so far good. Now see, left join is nothing but all the record from left side table, match record from right side table. Now 4 is there. Now records are not matching. Now what will get? We get
Null
what?
value.
Null will get. Okay, so this is the functionality. Here you need to understand what. So this is important, listen. So see, returns all the records from left side table and the match record from right side table. And one more thing, if records are not matching, what will get? Will get null value. Okay, see,
Null.
so C plus. Okay, if records are not matching, then what will get? Then we'll get null value. Okay, at which say at what type table? At what table? At the right side
right.
table. Okay, so see at the right side table. Okay, simple thing. See what happened. So see the same thing. Whatever we see in the images, returns all the records from left side table, match record from right side table. If records are not matching, what will get null value at the right side table. This is the functionality. Got a point? Huh? So one more time, so see all the records 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4 null. This is the functionality. So what about right join? Tell me which is the main table, right join? So
Right table.
T2, so right side table is the main table. Now what will get? Tell me what will get? 1, 1,
1, 1, 2,
2,
2,
2,
3,
3,
3.
3, then
Type null.
null
Null
5 or
5.
final?
Null and 5.
Null type, sorry.
Null
Yeah.
5, not final, null 5, because so returns all the records from the right side table, match records. If not, if records are not matching, what null will get at the left side table. Got the point? So this is so far good. Tell me this is what join? This is inner join. Okay. So this is what join? Tell me this is inner join. This is what join? This is inner join. Tell me one more time. Okay, so this is what join? Tell me. Middle one. Inner join. So see what we can able to understand. So this is the definition. So while doing calculation, no, you need to understand the logic. So what is the logic I want to say? This is important. Inner join nothing but what? What common records? What is left join? Tell me, left join nothing but what? Left join nothing but what? This is what?
Common plus
Inner join
the
plus
left.
remain record from left side table. So
Yes.
inner join plus remaining records from left to table. Got the pointer. So this is the functionality. See, inner join plus remain record from left to table. So what is right join? Tell me. See the image.
Inner
What is
join
that?
plus remaining record from right.
Okay, inner join plus remain record from right side table. See, this is important. Okay. So see, inner join plus remain record from a right table. Okay, remain record from right. Same thing. What about full join? Tell me. This is what join? Middle one.
Inner join.
This is what join? This entire thing.
Left.
Left join.
Left join. Okay, see, this is important to see the same thing. So this is left join. This is right join. And what is this? This is inner join. So what when we conclude for full join? Anyone? What you can able to conclude?
Inner join plus left join plus right join.
So not like inner join plus remain record from left and right. Remain records. Okay, see.
Yeah.
So this is inner join. Okay. So this is remain record from left side table. This is remain record from right side table. See the image, you'll get some clarity. So this is what? This is inner join. What is one? This is remain record from which table? Remain record from
Left table.
left table. This is what remain record from
Right.
Right
Right.
table.
right table. Got the pointer. So inner join, common records, left join, inner join plus remain record from left side table, remain record from right side table. Then what is full join? Tell me. Full join is nothing but inner join
Inner
plus
join.
remain record from left and right
Right.
table. Correct?
Yes.
Simple thing. Okay, see. So definition, you need to say this functionality. But while doing calculation, what? Go for this concept. Common records, inner join plus remain record from left side table, inner join plus remain record from right side table. This is the functionality. Got that? So you need to say like this. Okay, this is so far good. Okay, see, inner, left, right. This is so far good. Now, what is cross join? Simply what? Simply multiplication of two tables. So generally what? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5. Like this multiplication of 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5. Like this what? So simply it's a multiplication, nothing but 4, 4 the 16 record. It's a simply multiplication of table 1 into table 2. Okay, see this image. Okay, see what is cross join? Simply it's a multiplication of T1 into T2. So table 1 into table 2. So multiplication of two tables. This is the concept of what? Cross join. Getting a little bit? Yes or no? So let me help you one more time. Okay, see this image. So this image is important. Compulsory question will be there on the see. Inner join, common records or match records. What is left join? Inner join plus remain record from left side table. Inner join plus remain record from right side table. What is full join? Inner join plus remain record from left and right table. What is cross join? Multiplication of two tables. This is so far good. Now I'll try to ask a simple question. You give wrong answer only. See, simple thing. So T1, T2, two tables are there. I'm having 1, 1, 1. Okay, 3 ones are there. Here also 3 ones are there. So two tables. Okay, see. So two tables. Okay. So this is left table. This is a right table. Tell me for inner join, how many cards you get? 1 or 3?
3.
3.
3, eh?
6.
6, eh? Okay.
9.
So you are giving your lucky number, huh? No. Tell me. 1 or 2 or 3, eh? Tell me how 1, how 3, how 6, how 9?
9 set of 1.
9
Nine,
one,
nine, nine.
1.
Now, see, not 1, not 3. So, see, what we discussed, tell me what is inner join definition? Common records from what? Common
Both
records from both the tables.
tables.
Okay, from the both tables, I am trying to get common records from both the tables. Got the point? So, see the same thing. Let me help you. Listen careful. This is important. Okay, now what you are trying to do? You are trying to submit yourself. And you see, you are trying to do like this. Okay, see, like this. Correct? No, no. So see, so take left side table, take the first record. We should check from what? Top to bottom. Tell me matching up, matching up, matching. So 3 records for first one. Same thing, take one more color. Okay, so see this one matching up. So this one totally again 3 records. Okay, so this is not 3, not 6. How many it is 9 records.
9.
Okay, see, so you will be confused here. You will say like one matching not. So what is the functional term? So this first, what we discussed, matching record from both the table. So this record is matching with this thing, nothing but what? So we are taking this value and we are trying to compare from top to bottom. So totally how many records will be there? Totally, totally
9.
9 records will be there. What about this one? Tell me, what about the other one? Second record also 3 plus 3 plus 3. It is 9 records. Got a point of see. This is not 1. This is see 1 1. 1 1 like this. How many records will get? We'll get 9 records. What about left join? Tell me how many records will get left join?
Same.
Same 9 records. Now, what discuss? Inner join plus remaining record from left side table. What about right join? Same 9
Same.
9 records. What about full join? Same 9 records. What about cross join?
Same.
Same, no? 3 3 is a 9
9,
records.
9.
Okay. So when you have same records, same values, compulsory say. So for all the types of join, inner join, left to join, right join, compulsory say 9 records. One more time. So see, left to table, right to table. Now 10, 10. Okay, so 10, 10. Tell me if inner join, how many cards will get? 1 or 2? 1 or 2?
4.
4.
4.
For
4.
all the types of joints, 4 records for inner, left, right, and full. Same thing. Let me come to the topic. Okay, so this is so far good. Now see this. Remember, compulsory questions will be asked like this. Okay, so they'll use this number and they want to find number of records in each join. Okay, so compulsory. See, almost these are inter questions only. Okay, this is the same thing in detail. Okay, see, this is the functionality. I'll try to explain logic. So listen carefully. Now tell me, so what discuss? Take left side table and try to take one value and try to do like this. Tell me it's formula. Tell me, if you have 2 3 records, I can able to. When you have more records, can do like this? Huh? It is not possible. So for this purpose, now we are having concept is that what see for this purpose what? So take left side table. How many ones are there? 1, 2. In right side table, how many ones are there? 1,
4.
2, 3, 4. Simply put, 2 fours are how many?
8.
8 records. Okay, see. So when you have less values, we can directly do 1, 1, 2. But when you have more records, now what happened? That logic won't work. Okay, see now. Okay, how many twos are there? 1,
2.
2. How many twos are there in the right side table?
1.
1. So 2 ones are
2.
2 records. Okay. Now how many fours are there?
2.
Fours 2. How many fours are there left right side?
Nothing. 0.
So 4 into 0, 2 into 0, 0. Okay, we should not consider. How many 5s are there? Tell me, inner join 5 will come.
No.
No. So totally, so 8 plus 2, 10
10.
record for inner join. One more time. So see, this is simple thing. So take any side table, left side table or right side table, right side table. See, now what happened? How many ones are there? 2 ones are there. 2 ones are there. How many ones are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So listen carefully. Compulsory you will face in L1 or L2 or any manager round. So 2 4s are 8 records. What about how many twos? 1, 2. Okay. How many twos are there here? What? Simply 2 ones are 2. Totally 8 plus 2, 10 records for what? 10 records for inner join. Okay, see. So see the logic, the calculation part. Tell me inner join how many? 10 records. Tell me left join, what is definition? Inner join plus how many records are remaining left side table? How many records are remaining?
2.
2, no. So see this, so this, nothing but what? So 10 plus 10 plus 2.
2.
Okay. So what about right join? 10 plus how many records are remaining?
1.
1. So 10 plus 1. Tell me now full join we need to go to image. No. So simply 10 plus 2 plus
2 plus 1.
1. Got the point. So same thing. What about cross join? Cross join 6 into 6. Nothing but 36. Okay, one more time. Here you need to calculate inner join correctly. Remaining are plus plus. One more example we'll see, then you can able to understand easily. So this is important. We'll see one more time. Now take this one also. This is bigger value. Okay. Take the screenshot. Always take the screenshot and do the calculation. Okay. So take which side table? Take left side table. Now tell me, can you do like this manually? It is not possible. Now how many ones are there? 1, 2. Okay. How many ones are there right side table? Anybody guess? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Simply 2 sevens are 14 records. 14 per 1. How many twos are there? How many twos are there? 1,
4.
2, 3, 4. Right side table, how many twos are there?
1.
So 4 into 1, 4 records. Okay. Same thing. How many 4s are there? 2 4s. 2 into 0. No, we should not consider. Now how many 5s are there?
1.
Tell me. So
1.
1. 1 into 1. Totally 1 into 1 is what?
1.
So 1. Totally 14 plus 4 plus 1. Totally 19 records for what? For inner join. 19 records for inner join. What about left join? 19 plus how many records are there? Extra records?
2.
2 4s are there. So 2. 19 plus 2. Okay. What about right join? 19 plus? An extra record?
No.
No. Totally it is 19 plus 0. 0. Okay. What about full join? No need to go for image. So 19 plus 2. That's it.
2.
Okay. So what about cross join? Simply 9 9s are 81 records. Got the point. So this is simple logic, you see. So take left side table and right side. See, same thing. Now you need to say one more thing and you can able to ask the question. See. Now how many records are in left side table? How many twos?
3.
Right side table, how many twos?
5.
5.
5. Tell me totally for inner join, how many records?
15.
Simple. 3 5s are 15. For left to right full cross. And no need to do any calculation. Tell me.
Same.
Same non so simple thing. See, all are having same records. Okay, 3 5s are 15. For inner, for left, see what happened in extra records are there? No. Simply for inner gen, for left gen, for right gen, for full gen, for cross gen, for all the gens, it is what? It is what? It is 15. 15.
15.
So 3 5s are 15. Got the point. So see, when you have same number of records, directly it will be same thing. Okay. Now this one, see, little bit tricky one. How many cards are inner join? How many twos are there? Twos, how many matching will get?
None.
No
Two twos
matching.
are? No. How many ones? One. How many ones?
2.
Totally?
4.
4. 4 for twos. 4 for 1. 0 is a record or not?
Yes, it records.
It's a record. Tell me now what happened. It is?
5.
1 record. 1 0.
Okay, 1. Okay,
One.
see, not 1 0 0 0. No. 0, 0. Okay, 4 plus 1. For inner join,
5,
5 records. For left join, 5 plus
0,
0. For right join, 5 plus
1,
1.
1.
For full join, 5 plus 0 plus 1. What about
1.
cross join?
3
4
plus
3s
4.
are
3
12.
4s are 12. Okay, see, remember, so interview will share the screen and we need to do, we can't able to write 1 1 like this. We should do all things in the calculation. So see, now we need to what? So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 plus 0, 5 plus 1. Okay, like this you need to do on the mind calculation because so this will be shared by the interviewer. They'll try to share the screen and they'll ask you how many record for inner jam, how many record for left jam. Like I said, they'll try to ask that question. What the point? Huh? Bit. Now tell me now here what happened. So ID amount. Okay, see ID amount. Here what's the column, joining column, ID or amount? Joining column is what? ID or amount? ID value. So unique value and we'll try to join it. Tell me, I'll try to give 1 minute. Tell me how many cards for inner join give me. I'll high level, I'll try to explain. How many cards? Tell me anybody.
8 and
No, not 8 10. We should check only ID column, not amount column. So totally how many cards? So for inner try, I'll try to explain. Inner join how many?
A1.
5,
A1, B2, C2. So 1 plus 2 plus 2, 5 records. No, so you should do everything in the faster manner. So see, simply what? So tell me amount we need to check.
No, ID.
No, only ID. So A matching, okay. So B matching, C matching. Totally, so 1 plus 2 plus 2. So totally 5 records for inner join. For left join, how many records for left join?
5,
6, not 6. 5
5,
plus, how many cards are there extra?
5,
8.
3, no? 5
Sorry,
plus
sorry.
3, no? 5 plus 3, 8 records.
8.
What about right join? 5 plus
5. 5 is out.
0, 0. What about full
Zero.
join? 5 plus 3 plus 0. What about cross join?
5 and 2.
36.
30.
6 5 is 30. Okay, see, remember only inner join should be calculated. Remaining, see, so cross join is a multiplication. So only inner join should be calculated. Remaining are plus plus. See, 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 0. 5 plus 3 plus 0. So it's only we need to calculate inner join. Remaining are plus plus kind of thing. Got the point? Huh? So we need to calculate inner join correctly. That's what the function. Yes, so far good. Okay. Now, what about the first one? Tell me. First one, only see the first one. Okay, I want only inner join or EP join.
Inner join 1.
4.
4.
2,
2 to the 4, not 2, 4. 2 to the 4.
Yeah,
Okay,
4 1.
4, 4. Okay. So this is so far good. Now come to one more important thing. So this is without null. Now we need to go for nulls concept. So with the null. Okay. Tell me one null will be equal to another null. Huh?
no,
No, not equal.
No, not equal. Okay, because
Cannot.
we can't able to compare null value with any value. Okay, see now same thing. Now what happened? Let me go here. Important thing, nulls. So they'll write us with nulls. Okay, see. So T1, T2. Now see, now here having null record and here having null record. Okay. Tell me what is inner join. So left to right, tell me. Inner, tell me T1, T2. T1, T2. Now tell me 1, 1. 2, 2. Tell me null, null.
No.
No. So see, in inner join, nulls will be populated or not?
No.
No. So nulls will not be populated. So mute yourself. See now what happens. So in inner join, this is one more thing. So to the extra thing to this calculation. Okay. So control C, control V. So now in inner join, no nulls will there because what happened? So here what we discussed, matching records. Tell me one null will be equal to another. No. So null cannot be compared and null cannot be equal. So in inner joins, no nulls will come. So what about left join? What discuss? So inner 1, 1, 2, 2. Tell me what the output will get?
4.
Part 4.
The join will get 4.
Tell me before that what is left join? What left join?
Three.
Inner
All
join
the
plus
records from all records from left side table, match records from right side table. If records are not matching, what will get? We'll get 3
Null.
null. Tell me this null.
Yes.
No.
Not this null. Different null.
No.
Not that null. Okay. Null.
Null.
Null. So remember this null. So this is different null. See, this is the functionality. Okay. So what about right join? Right join. So
One,
T1.
1, 1,
Simply first go for all the records from right side table, match record from left side table, and if records on will get what? Null, null, 5.
Null 5.
Null 5. So see, so same thing. You need to understand is that what only nulls won't come. Remaining all the same functionality. Tell me here null is a record or not? Null is a record. So null should be populated. So only inner join nulls won't be populated. Remaining all the same functionality. Got the point? Got it? So this is the functionality. Okay. What about cross join? How many records will get for cross join?
4 into 4.
Simply so null is so 1, 1, 1, 2, 1 null, 1, 5. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2 null like this. Null 1, null 2, null 5. Okay, here null is also required, but only in inner join nulls won't be populated, remaining all the same functionality. Got the point there. So only in inner join we don't get null value, remaining the same functionality. Got the point? Let me try explain one more use case. We'll see this. This is compulsory question they try to ask in interview. Okay, that's was the main. Okay. Now tell me it's the bottom one. Okay, how many records will get? 1, 2, 3, 4.
3 1
So you
will
should
get.
do simple things. So
Sorry, 3
see,
set of 1, 1 set of 0.
so see simple. How many? 1 or 2 or 3? Simply you should do this one. 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 ones are 1. So 2 plus 1. So 3 records for inner join. What about left join? 3 plus
2, 5.
3 plus 1, not 3 plus inner join, left join. 3 plus
1.
1, no. What about right join? 3 plus 3 plus
2.
2. So simple then also see you need to understand what. So 2 ones are 1 ones are so 3. Okay, so 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2. What about full join?
6. 3 plus 1 plus 2.
3 plus 1 plus 2, 6. What about cross join?
16.
4 4 to 16. So see, only inner join should be remaining this plus kind of thing. But okay. Now tell me this one. So remember, these are the intro questions only. Okay. Now tell me they're giving like this. Okay. Now they want to find inner join. Tell me how to get inner join. How many inner joins? Tell me.
3 into 2.
6 set of 1.
Okay. 6 plus
10.
10, 10.
6 plus 4.
10.
6 plus 4. 10. What about left join? 10 plus
10 plus 2.
2. 10 plus 2. What about right join? 10 plus
10 plus 1.
1. What about full join? 10 plus 2 plus 1. Okay. What about cross join? Simply. So only inner join. If you do wrongly inner join, remaining all things will be failing. So always calculate inner join correctly. Now what about this one? Tell me. Number of records are inner join. How many records will get? Inner join.
9.
4
10.
to right. Not 9, not 10.
9.
9,
4
9.
to the 8. Okay, see this one, no, you should take a little bit time, but you should give correct answer only. So you should not give 2, 3 answers. So 4 to the 1, 1 the. So 8 plus 1, 9 records. 9 records. 9 records. Okay. Now what about full left join?
9 plus 1.
10.
9 plus 1. Okay. What about right join 9 plus?
9 plus
Plus 1.
9 plus 1.
plus 1.
What about full join? 9 plus
9
1
plus
plus
1
1
plus 1.
plus. See these two questions now. Is tell me what about second one? What's output? Null equal to null?
No, we
No.
can't compare.
Now what is
2.
output?
Answer.
Output is a 2. Output is 2. What about tell me if I want to get 1, what is the output? If I want to get 1, what is I need to write?
Null is
Is null. Is null.
Null is null. Null is null. Okay, got a point. So remember, if you try to answer this now, like you can able to get the interview will be clear. So these are the two interview question asked. Okay, here you need to understand is that what one null cannot be compared with other null. Other null. That's what the function. Got a point. Now same thing. Now what happened? Let me go for one more. Now tell me first set. Let me take the screenshot. Tell me. So this is the first set. Now how many records for inner join, left, right, full cross?
16 set of 1.
Come again.
16 set of
16.
16. So 16. So muted. I'm trying to mute. Okay, those ones make sense. So we'll get 16 for all. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, 16 for all type. Because when you have same record, 16. What about this second result set? Tell me.
Inner join 9.
Inner join 3 3 is 9.
9.
What is
Left
left
join
join?
10.
9 plus 1.
What
Left
about
join
left
10.
right join?
9.
9.
9
9.
plus 0. Okay,
9.
what about full join?
9 plus 1 plus 0.
10.
9.
Okay, what 9? Okay, full join is 9 plus 1. Okay, what about cross join?
12.
12. Okay, so 12. What about this one? Second set, last one?
12.
No. See. So last is the set. Last one.
3.
Inner join
3.
3.
Inner join, how many?
3.
3.
So 2 ones and 1 ones. What about null?
3 plus 3.
No. Null cannot be compared. So 3. What about left join 3 plus?
2.
Not
2.
2.
3 plus 3.
3 plus 3.
Oh, sorry, 3.
6.
What about right join? 3 plus?
4. 3
Not
plus
4. 3 plus
3
3.
plus 3.
What
6.
about full join? So 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, see, remember? So you should give only one answer. You are giving 2, 3 answers. So think slowly and give correct answer. Got it? So this question is compulsory in L1, L2. So compulsory analytical function, one thing compulsory they'll try to ask, and this one they try to ask in the interview. Okay. Now we'll see last one. We'll try to wind up today. This tomorrow we'll see the syntax, everything. Okay. Now it's the same thing. Tell me how many ones? How many ones? Anyone's matching? Huh?
No.
No. How many twos?
No.
No.
Okay. How many province?
2.
2 into 3, 6.
2 into 2.
2 into 2.
2 or 3?
3. Left. Inner
2 into
join.
2.
Remember your data.
2 into
in
2.
You should see the data correctly. Tell me 2 or 3.
2 into 2.
2 into 2.
Because what
2 into
happened?
2.
Tell me this is matching. Huh?
Yeah.
No, this is
Not
not.
matching.
Because in the Snowflake data is case sensitive. So this is not matching. So 2 to the 4
4.
records. What about ABC?
2 into
1
1.
into
1 into 2, 6. So
One.
4 plus 2, 6 records. What about left join? 6 plus Remaining
Four.
5 record. 5.
Sorry, 5. Yeah.
What about right join? 6 plus
3.
3. Okay,
Three.
so see, so you need, so this is like you will say wrong answer. See, correct, you will say what? So you need to consider 3 records, but not 3. This is only 2 records. Okay, because data in the database is case sensitive. Got the point also. See this type of questions. So you need to remember the image. Okay, see now what the image? See, common records are match records, remain record from right table, remain record from left hand, and the multiplication of 2 tables. Tomorrow we'll see the syntaxes and everything in detail. Okay, so